Hello learners. Welcome back to the Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy. In today's session, we will learn the complete process of sales invoice, Challan in Lighthouse ERP from invoice listing to invoice entry and finally approval. Let's begin. 1. Sales invoice, Challan listing. This is the sales invoice, Challan listing screen. Here you can view total invoices, approved invoices, unapproved invoices, closed and change request status, customer-wise and status-wise summary. Below, the listing table displays important invoice information such as invoice number, invoice date, customer code and customer name, currency, freight basis, vehicle and transporter details, to place, number of items, invoice amount, voucher status. From the screen, users can add a new invoice, open an existing one, approve, print, or export details. 2. Adding a new sales invoice. Next, we move to the general details screen of the invoice. Here we fill series, sales invoice series configured in the system, transaction type, domestic sale, export sale, customer name, order number, multiple orders can be referenced, sales invoice number and date, packing slip number, loading advice number, audit details such as audit remark, party reference number, and reference date can also be captured. Below this, multiple expandable blocks are available. Billing, delivery and shipping address, transport, freight details, add-on details, weightment details, contact details, brokerage details, credit limits, TDS details. At the bottom, the system displays parked item details with quantities, rates, material value, and net material amount. 3. Adding a new item in sales invoice. This screen appears when creating a new sales invoice. On the top, you can see customer name, invoice voucher number, invoice date. The left section captures item details, including item name and item code, HSN, SAC code. Go down. Make, division, cost name, department, stock type, batch number. Remark: the right side captures quantity and rate details. Quantity, a and UM rate, material value, discounts, rate and amount, net material amount, taxes, SGST, CGST, CESS, add-on amounts, total amount. On the extreme right, you see reference information such as order voucher number, order line number, net order quantity, balance order quantity, packing slip number, packing slip line number, attach document and refresh calculation options. All item level calculations are visible clearly before saving the invoice. 4. Sales invoice approval. This is the approval screen of sales invoice. Here approvers can verify invoice details, check customer, order reference, and posting details, review add-on values, transportation charges, taxes, and item values, validate quantities issued versus ordered, add approval remarks. Once reviewed, the approver clicks approve, and the sales invoice status updates to approved. The invoice becomes available for printing, commercial bill generation, ledger posting, freight management, email, SMS notifications if configured. 5. Sales invoice, Challan, cancellation process. Now let's look at the cancellation process of a sales invoice or Challan. Cancellation is required when any incorrect entry is made, such as wrong rate, wrong item, duplicate invoice, or incorrect reference details. 5.1 Select the invoice from the listing. Go to the sales invoice, Challan listing and select the invoice you need to cancel. 5.2 Click Cancel Record. After selecting the invoice, click Cancel Record from the top menu. This action initiates the cancellation workflow. 5.3 Mandatory Validations. The system checks important dependencies before allowing cancellation, such as whether a delivery note is generated, whether the invoice is linked with a packing slip, whether TTS or payment postings exist, whether the invoice is part of any follow-up document. If any dependencies exist, the system will not allow cancellation until they are cleared. 5.4 Enter cancellation remarks. A remark is mandatory. For example, incorrect rate, duplicate invoice, wrong item entry, or customer reference updated. These remarks are captured in the audit trail. 5.5 Invoice status after cancellation. Once cancelled, the invoice status is updated as closed. Cancelled. It will no longer be available for further transactions. All relevant reversals are handled automatically by the system. 6. Key points to remember. Before closing, here are the key points. Sales invoice can be created only against approved sales order, delivery instruction, DI, and packing slip. The system supports multi-sales order invoicing. Grace period, GP, days automatically appear if configured. If order due date and GP days are blank, sales invoice date equals due date. Packing slip and item balance quantity are validated automatically. Freight details, add-ons, credit limits, and taxes are system controlled for accuracy. That's all for today's session on sales invoice, Challan. In the next video, we will move to the sales return process, where you'll learn how to record return entries, validate quantities, and manage credit notes smoothly in Lighthouse ERP. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lighthouse Alchemy for more ERP learning content.